morning students, welcome to my class of standard 9th subject maths 2 chapter 8 trigonometry. My dear students, in my previous video I have given the revision of basic formulae. Okay, the purpose behind that, today we are going to start practice set 8.2 and you should know the table of trigonometric ratio, the table which I have given you in the formula. Okay, value of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, it is given in the table. Am I right? So my purpose behind that was to know, means you should know the table perfectly, because if you don't know the table you cannot solve this question number 2 which we are going to start now. So let's come to question number 2, sub question 1. Question is 5 sine 30 degree plus 3 tan 45 degree. This is a question given to you and the value you have to pick up from the table which I have given you. Okay, so sine 30 degree from the table is 1 upon 2. You can see in the table. Okay, and tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 value is 1 from the table. So this value you have to put it here. So see now, therefore 5 sine 30. Sine 30 is half. So 5 into 1 upon 2 plus 3 into tan 45 is 1. 3 into 1. Okay. 5 into 1 upon 2 plus 3 into 1. Therefore 5 ones are 5. 5 upon 2 plus 3. 3 upon 1. Nothing is there means 1. Okay. So now you have to equalize. You have to equalize the denominator. So you know what to do now. Okay. What we will do you know very well. So 2 ones are 2. 1 5s are 5. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Instead of therefore we will put equal to sign. Your answer is now 11 upon 2. This is the final answer for 1. Sum number 1, you got the answer 11 upon 2. So it is very easy. These all values you have to pick up from the table. So table you should know perfectly. That is why in my previous video I have given you the revision again, once again, for the basic formula. Please copy it down. Very simple sum for you. Then I will show you the next sum. Okay, now come to sum number 2 of question number 2. 4 upon 5 tan square 60 plus 3 sine square 60. Okay. Now tan 60 from the table value is root 3 and sine 60 from the table value is root 3 upon 2. Now here you can see 4 upon 5 into tan square 60. Tan square means this root 3 will be in the square. Root 3 का square करने का, because here it is tan square. Okay, plus 3 into sine square 60 means root 3 upon 2 the whole square. You have to do the square of this value because here square is there. If cube is there, then you have to do the cube also. If the index is 4, then you have to write 4. Whatever it is there. Now here square is there, so I have written square. Okay. So now here 4 upon 5 root 3 ka square if you will do, you will get 3. You know, square and square will get cancelled. You will get 3 plus 3 into root 3 square is 3 and 2 square is 4. 2 ka square 4. So you will get now 4 3s are 12. 12 upon 5 plus 3 3s are 9. 9 upon 4. Okay. Now you have to cross multiplication. You know cross multiplication. 5 4s are 20. First of all I will write here. Okay. 12 4s are 48. 9 5s are 45. Okay. If you will add this both, you are getting 93. 93 upon 20. So answer for this second sum is 93 upon 20. So very easily we got the answer. Just put the value. After putting the value, if square is there, do the square. Okay, cube is there, do cube. Correct? And then equalize the denominator. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 3. Sum number 3 is 2 sine 30 degree plus cos 0 degree plus 3 sine 90 degree. Okay. Now from the table, sine 30 value is 1 upon 2, cos 0 degree value is 1, and sine 90 degree value is also 1. This is from the table you are getting. Okay. Now we have to solve the sum. So 2 into sine 30 means 2 into 1 upon 2. Sine 30 value is 1 upon 2. No square, huh? Here. Square is not there. Okay. Plus cos 0 is 1. So 1 plus 3 sine 90 is 1. 3 into 1. So here 2 and 2 will get cancelled because here multiplication sign is there. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 1 is remaining. 1 plus 1 plus 3 ones are 3. So your final answer is now 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. 5 is the answer for third one. So very easily you got the answer for third one. Okay, sum is not at all hard. It is not at all hard, but you should know the value. Okay, value you should know. If you know the value, we can solve it very easily. Sum is looking hard. When you will see the sum, you will feel hard. It is very hard. But sum is not at all hard. Sum is very easy for you. Okay, now come to sum number 4. Please pay attention. Tan 60 upon sine 60 plus cos 60. This is the question. So tan 60 value is root 3. Sine 60 value is root 3 upon 2. And cos 60 value is 1 upon 2 from the table. Okay. So we will just put the value. Tan 60 is root 3 upon sine 60 is root 3 upon 2 plus cos 60 is 1 upon 2. Just see and we have put the value. Now here you can see denominator is same. So root 3 will be same here. Root 3 is same. 2 same. Denominator is same. Numerator is root 3 plus 1. Okay. So this will be reciprocal. So 2 will come up. 2 root 3 upon root 3 plus 1. Okay. You got the answer here. Back side of your textbook answer is given till here only. But please don't solve till here. You have to solve further also. Okay. Further also you have to solve. You have to rationalize the denominator. You know in maths 1 you are doing rationalize. You know surds you have studied. So it is not difficult for you. This will be not be difficult for you. Okay. You have to multiply with conjugate. Conjugate means plus का minus लेने का उल्टा. Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. You have to multiply with conjugate. Okay. So if you will multiply with conjugate, you will get here 2 root 3 into root 3 minus 1 upon a plus b, a minus b. So whenever you are doing conjugate, you will get denominator a plus b, a minus b. So मतलब a square minus b square. A square means root 3 का square minus 1 का square, b square. So root 3 square is 3. I am writing 2 root 3 same, numerator is same. Okay. 3 minus 1. So you will get 2 root 3 into root 3 minus 1 upon 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled here, and your final answer you will get root 3 into root 3 minus 1. This is your final answer. So you have to solve further also. Okay, why I am telling you? Because you have studied surds. तो सर्ड्स में हम लोग जैसा कॉन्जुगेट से मल्टीप्लाई करते थे, यू नो वेरी वेल ना, ये प्लस का माइनस लेने का, और यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ. तो न्यूमरेटर विल बी सेम एज इट इज. सी न्यूमरेटर इज सेम, सेम आ गया. ओनली डिनोमिनेटर इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. ये ए है और ये बी है, तो ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. So you will get 3 minus 1. Very easy it is. It is not at all hard. Okay, very easy it is. So here 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You got the answer. So please copy it down. Sum number 4. Okay, come to now sum number 5. Sum number 5 is cos square 45 degree plus sin square 30 degree. Okay, so cos 45 degree value is 1 upon root 2 and sin 30 degrees value is 1 upon 2. So cos square 45 means 1 upon root 2 the whole square हो जाएगा. Okay, because cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 plus sin 30 is 1 upon 2. तो 1 upon 2 the whole square हो जाएगा because here it is square. So 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Now you have to equalize the denominator. So what you will do, you know, very simple way. This 2 you will multiply by 2 down also and up also. Okay? Because here we want 4, na? So 2 ones are 2, 2 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. You will get the answer. 2 plus 1 3, 3 upon 4 is the answer for fifth one. इसको इक्वलाइज वेरी सिंपल वे से किया है. यहाँ पर 4 है तो हियर आल्सो वी वांट 4, तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 डाउन, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 अप. ओके, डिनोमिनेटर आल्सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, न्यूमरेटर आल्सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. तो हो गया देखो 4 4 4 इज सेम. नाउ ऐड न्यूमरेटर. Come to now sum number 6. Okay, cos 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree into sin 30 degree. Okay, you can see here, you will feel the sum is very hard, but sum is not hard. You can see cos 60 value is 1 upon 2 from the table. Cos 30 का है root 3 upon 2, sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 and sin 30 is 1 upon 2. These all values you will get from the table. Table you should know. Okay, see now cos 60 is 1 upon 2, so 1 upon 2 into root 3 upon 2 plus root 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. So root 3 ones are root 3, 2 twos are 4. Root 3 ones are root 3, 2 twos are 4. Okay, now denominator is same, so I am writing same 4. 1 plus 1 will be 2 root 3. 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 root 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Your answer is root 3 upon 2. Okay, denominator is same, you have to add numerator. Numerator plus क्या, 1 plus 1 is 2. And now cancellation here. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 3. Sub question 1. Sin theta is 4 upon 5 given. You want the value of only cos theta. Okay, cos theta value you want. So that you can find out with the method which I showed you in question number 1. You know, right angle triangle we used to draw and we used to get the answer. Am I right? Okay, but here I am showing you another method also. Okay, another method is of identity, trigonometric identity. Okay, which you are going to study in standard 10th also. So that I am going to show. That is very easy for you. So pay attention. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is your trigonometric identity. There are total 3 identity, but only one I am showing you now. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now with the help of this we will find out cos theta. Okay, we will find out cos theta. So sin square theta, so sin is 4 upon 5 the whole square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You have to do the square. This will go there, becomes minus. Therefore cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 16 upon 25. Cross multiplication. Cos square theta is equal to 25 1 the 25, 25 1 the 25 minus 16. So you will get cos square theta is equal to 9 upon 25. Taking square root, if you remove the square root, taking square root, okay, you will get cos theta is equal to, इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालो तो 9 का हो जाएगा 3 और इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालो तो हो जाएगा 5. So cos theta you got 3 upon 5. So with the help of trigonometric identity, this is identity. With the help of this we can find out cos theta. If cos theta is given, we can find out sin theta also with the help of this only. Okay, which I am going to show you in the second sum. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to the last sum of this chapter. Okay, in same method I will teach you, which I taught you just now. Cos theta is 15 upon 17. You want sin theta. So you will use trigonometric identity, and you know now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, therefore now sin theta we don't know. Cos is 15 upon 17 the whole square is equal to 1. Therefore sin square theta plus 15 square is 225, 17 square is 289, right? This will go there, becomes minus. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 225 upon 289. Now you have to equalize. See, very easy, simple it is. To equalize also very simple. 289 ones are 289. 289 ones are 289 minus 225. So you will get sin square theta is equal to 289 minus 225 is 64. 64 upon 289. Okay. Then taking square root. You know this, na? Taking square root, you will get sin theta is equal to 64 का square root आता है 8 and 289 square root you know it is 17. So 8 upon 17 is answer for sin theta. So very simple way you got the answer of this one also. So you can use identity also to get the answer for this. If you don't want to use identity, you can use our previous method which I showed you of right angle triangle. वो k लेने का, k assume करने का, that also you can use in this. Okay, so both the method I taught you, whichever method you like, you can solve it. Problem set is homework for you. Very few sums are there in problem set. Okay, you have to do it by yourself. This chapter is completed. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.